Hello again, Mike from Charles Mill Marina. Thank you for joining us again. What you see here with me today is SunChaser's Geneva LR PSB sport model. First thing that pops out on a sport model is you have your nice black accents to go with your black rail package, and the silver that really pops in the sunlight like we have here today. Come on aboard, let me show you the furniture. So as you do jump up here, you will see SunChaser's deluxe furniture here. Really soft, doesn't burn your back when you're sitting on it. It holds up really well over time. Just a really sharp look. As we come a little further back, you will notice this boat does have an upgraded captain's chair, along with a JL audio stereo system with Bluetooth connectivity, so really good sound on this boat as well while you're out there cruising. As we move a little further back, you do notice this really cool flip seat. So if someone here wants to lay out, get a little bit of sun, or if you want to turn it into a kind of a dual captain's layout where the co-captain can sit and have a nice conversation right across the way, we can do that. And finally, as we head back, we do see the power bimini here. It's built right into the boat, and a nice stainless steel ladder off the back. So this boat really could be exactly what you're looking for. It is rigged with Yamaha motor. We can hang anything between a 9.9 horsepower and all the way up to 115 horsepower on this boat. With any boat purchased at Charles Mill Marina, mooring cover, safety package, delivery in state, and an on-water lesson to make sure you're safe, comfortable. We're also going to handle all your titling and registration needs here in-house. If you think this is a boat for you, give us a call, 419-368-5951. Check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.